Want to earn free crypto using just your phone? Today I'm breaking down Bean Network, a mobile mining app that's getting a lot of attention in 2025. Is it real? Is it safe? Or how can you start mining today? Let's find out. What I'm going to talk in this video is the explanation of Bean Network, how to start Bean Network, is Bean Network legit or a scam, and tips to maximize earnings. So, what is Bean Network? Bean Network is a mobile app that lets users mine crypto by checking daily. It's powered by Pi Network. It doesn't use your phone battery or hardware like traditional mining. Currently in its growth phase, not yet fully listed on major exchanges, and its goal is to build a user base and ecosystem before launching publicly. So how can you get started on Bean Network? All you have to do is just to head over to your Play Store or your Apple Store and go to the search bar and type in Bean Network. Just type in Bean Network and you just have to install the app, and after installing the app you click on this play button and it will take you to the app interface. So when you are here, you just have to click on this sign up button, and they have many options for sign up for registration. They have the continue with phone or email, they have the continue with Google, they have continue with Facebook, and continue with wallet. So I will click on the second option, which is continue with Google. So it should take me to my Google account, and I just have to select the Google account to use. So I will choose this one, and it's loading. So it's telling me to put an invitation code. You must put an invitation code for you to register. It's a must. So let me just type in this registration code. This is my invitation code. Use it when you are about to register as well. So I will click on complete, and as you can see, this is the dashboard. You have successfully registered. This is the dashboard of the platform. To start mining on this Bean Network, you just have to come to this button that is here. Click on this button, this orange button, and it will start. So as you can see, the yellow button, the orange button has turned to green. It has started mining immediately. As you can see, it's already mining. So the other thing I want to show in this video is how to refer. Yes, how to see your referral code. Just come over here to this down button that's here, which is the profile, and click on this invitation code right here. Just click on this invitation code, this non set, and you will see set your username. This will also be your invitation code for inviting others. So you just have to click on it, and as you can see, they have conditions for this invitation code. They have condition. They are telling you that from 4 to 20 characters. That's the first condition. The second condition is the username may contain letters and number. The third condition is username cannot contain special characters and emoji. The fourth condition, this is your personal username and invitation code. It's important and cannot be changed after setting. So put a username that you like and that fits all these conditions you are seeing here, a username that you can remember. So just have to type in your username right here. Let me say wallet 49. Let me click complete, and you can see my invitation code has been set immediately. It has been set immediately, and if I want to invite someone right now, I'll just have to copy this invitation code. I just have to copy it, and as you can see, it says copy to clipboard. Or I can also come here and click this button that is here. I'll click this copy that is here, this copied. Or there's many ways for you to copy your referral code. So if you refer someone, you actually be make like boosting your profit per hour. As you can see, without the referrals, you'll be earning 0.22 B per hour. But if you actually refer, you'll be earning more than this per hour. So I think for you to maximize your profit, you actually need referrals. So the second thing we are going to be talking about is in this video is B network legit or a scam. B network is still not on major exchanges but has an active community and roadmap. It's not real mining, it's gamified crypto rewards like Pi network. You are not investing money, just time and referrals as an optional. And the final verdict is safe to try but don't expect instant profit. So tips to maximize your earnings. How can you maximize earnings? Just enable notification to never miss a 24-hour check-in. Invite at least 5 active users for better rewards. Stay updated through this channel, their Telegram or Twitter for announcement. That's a quick breakdown of how B network works and how you can start earning just by tapping daily. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and join our WhatsApp group for daily crypto updates, tips and the latest on legit earning apps like this one.